Actually, you can see there is too much fog today. You cannot be able to see anything. Due to light, you can see, but you cannot see here. It's too much fog, guys. Barely you can see. It will be very difficult to drive today. 6:35 in the morning, and it's too foggy. People are like driving very slow because they cannot be able to see in front properly. It's really tough, guys, today.
गाइस आप लोग जिस तरीके से देख सकते हैं कितनी फॉग है, जितने भी जो है ड्राइवर्स हैं उनके लिए आज बहुत मुश्किल होगा ड्राइव करना। एंड इट्स चिलिंग ऑल्सो आउटसाइड, तो मैं विंडो तो नहीं खोल रही, एसी भी मैंने थोड़ा ऑन किया था, मैंने अब ऑफ कर दिया है। एंड आप लोग देख सकते हैं और इधर हमें जो है ना मिरर बहुत क्लीन करना पड़ा है, बिकॉज इफ यू नॉट गोना क्लीन इट, यू नॉट गोना ड्राइव इट प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज आप प्रॉपरली देख नहीं पाएंगे कि आगे क्या है, तो काफी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है। तो बेहतर रहेगा कि आप लोग जो है अपने ये विंडोज जो है सॉरी आगे जो है इसको क्लीन करते रहे, वाइपर्स चलाते रहे। प्लस इतनी डेंस फॉग है कि वाइपर्स चलने के बाद भी आपको जो है इन साइड से भी टिश्यू से क्लीन करना पड़ेगा। एंड अपने लाइट्स प्रॉपर देते रहे, बिकॉज अगर पीछे वाली गाड़ी को पता नहीं चला आगे कोई गाड़ी है या नहीं है, तो आप बम्प कर सकते हैं दूसरी गाड़ी के पीछे एंड इट विल कॉज अ बिग एक्सीडेंट। तो कोशिश करें कि ख्याल रखें एंड बहुत ही स्लो स्पीड पर चलाएं, बिकॉज इन्होंने भी जो है बोर्ड पे आगे दिया है दैट ड्यू टू डेंस फॉग प्लीज रिड्यूस योर स्पीड अप टू 80। सो बी केयरफुल एंड ड्राइव स्लोली। अभी भी है फॉग है।
So guys, you can see it's heavily densely fog over here, and it's like started since 6:35 morning and we reach now. What's the time? It's 7:36. We reached so far safely because the driver was not be able to see properly, and we were so scared and we didn't be able to sleep like that because we were so alert watching him. He was changing the lane every time because he was also not able to see. You can see how much fog is here. Oh my god. So I am actually walking towards my office. The weather is so nice. It's little chill. but obviously it's so beautiful to be in chill weather. And moreover, in Dubai they don't have such weather, and in winters it feels like you should walk and you should enjoy the weather. So I'm enjoying it. And today actually I loved coming to office because the weather is so nice, but it's dense fog is here, and it's very difficult to drive for the drivers. You can actually see the fog here. You barely see anything. Oh my gosh, it's difficult. It's very difficult. See fog here. It's now much better because it's like 6:36 in the morning. But when I started 6:35, and when I woke up 5:30, it was like cannot be able to see anything except street light. It is so beautiful. And I reached my office. So take care of yourself, drive safely. Fi aman Allah, Allah Hafiz, bye bye. You can actually see the fog, and from here you cannot see anything because आज fog बहुत ज़्यादा है guys. This is the view from my office.